Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of tangled necklaces and misspelled earrings? Let's talk about the jewelry box, a perfect solution for all your jewelry storage needed. This elegant vanity box for women comes in a stunning brown finish and complement any decor. It's a silk design not only look luxurious but also provides a functional space to keep your treasure organized. With multiple compartments, this jewelry storage box is ideal for separating rings, bracelets, and necklaces. No more digging through piles of accessories. Each piece has its own designated spot and making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. The quality of the leather is impressive, soft to the touch, yet durable enough to withstand daily uses. Plus, the secure closure ensures your valuables are safe from dust and damage. It's not just a storage solution, it's a stylish addition to your vanity or dresser. Whether you are treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a loved one, this jewelry box ticks all the boxes. It's practical, chic, and versatile, making it suitable for any occasion. So, if you are ready to elevate your jewelry organization game, consider investing in this leather jewelry boxes. Say goodbye to close chows and hello to elegance. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more stylish finds, guys. So I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspiration to your life. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.